Welcome to Mystical Minds. I am your host, Jamie Girard, and today I will be reading Poetry and Prose from Danny Martin Girard. He's the author of the Poetic Cues trilogy. You can find his work at dannygs.thoughtfortoday.com or Mystical Minds YouTube channel and podcast, co-owned with myself, Jamie Girard. Utter satisfaction. Satisfaction is knowing you've done everything you could to be the best version of you. Satisfaction is being your best where you are, with what you have, and being grateful despite the adversity striking with ferocity from time to time. It's knowing seasons come and go, sometimes without a warning in sight. Your only power is being the best you, and allow the universe to work its magic. Thank you so much, Danny G. That was amazing. And now, I'd like to take a moment for gratitude. So if you're able, please think of 3 things you're grateful for right now. I am grateful for YouTube. I'm grateful for my computer. I'm grateful for the life I have. What are you grateful for? Now, take a deep breath in and let it out. With love, thank you so much for listening. Have a beautiful day.